So we're going to make cottage pie. So we're going to peel some potatoes. Put them in the water. Ooh, peel. Okay, so to make the cottage pie, we're going to use 5% lean beef steak mince. We're going to use 800 grams, 3 small white onions, about 100 grams of frozen peas, 4 carrots, salt, pepper, mixed herbs, fry light, and 2 OXO cubes. We're then going to fry it in the pan. We're going to cook it up. Then we're going to top it with a potato. Then it's going to be ready to eat. It's going to be exciting. Step 1, peel the carrots. 4 carrots peeled. Next step, peel onions. Onions all peeled. Next step, chop onions. Chop carrots. Fry in pan. Chop, 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 chop. Next, we're going to have the peas. Next, salt. Next, pepper. Okay, vegetables are all soft. And all we're going to do now, add in tablespoon. So we've now got to make 200 mils of stock. So I'm using 2 stock cubes. Now, how old were you when you worked this out? So, open up the flap that side. Open up the flap the other side like that. Then crush the upside down like so. Then ta-da! Okay, the meat is all brown. Then we're going to tip over 200 mils of beef stock. Reduce this down now, so all the cooking liquid's reduced right down and it's thickened up. Potatoes cooked. Now, potatoes. And there is the finished cottage pie. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, tomorrow is another day.